Are you familiar with this scenario? You come back to the production hall after the weekend, and the coolant is contaminated and smells unpleasant. Hello, my name is Schmidt, and today I'm presenting to you the most advanced way of coolant filtration, efficient, simple, and essential for your operation. The VITO 90 uses patented pressure-driven filtration to continuously filter and aerate your coolant, ensuring its optimal quality and, in turn, enhancing the quality of your workpieces. This process not only extends the life of your tools but also reduces machine maintenance costs, offering significant long-term savings for your operations. The VITO 90 is an all-rounder of coolant filters. Whether you use emulsions, cutting oil, or other coolants, it works with any coolant and fits any machine. Another key benefit is the constant ventilation, which prevents bacteria and fungi growth, ensuring a safer and more pleasant workspace. The particle filter captures all chips inside the device and only needs to be replaced about once a week. With the VITOconnect feature, you can also read usage data or configure your device as needed via your smartphone. Over 50,000 customers are already benefiting from VITO technology. Visit VITOfilter.com to learn more.